Good morning, friends! Happy Thanksgiving to all of you. I hope you are all having a nice Thanksgiving day. In today's video, I will be sharing with you breaking news on the fourth round of stimulus payments and how 35 million Americans could lose monthly relief payments, and that's if Congress does not take action very soon. Please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and stay tuned until the end of this video to learn how to enter tomorrow's $100 Walmart gift card giveaway. I know many of you have been anxiously waiting for more stimulus checks for months now. Stimulus checks provided some much-needed relief for millions of Americans during this crisis. And with the crisis still ongoing, another round of payments should be sent out as soon as possible. Thankfully, some state governments have been taking action for its residents by passing legislation that would provide low and middle-income Americans with extra stimulus checks. It is also great that financial support available in the United States is not just limited to stimulus checks anymore. In addition, there are tax breaks, extended benefit programs, unemployment benefit increases, child and dependent care tax credit, SNAP increases, and other initiatives in certain states. Many of you have asked which states are giving out additional relief checks, so I will be sharing a list of those right now. So far, a large number of states have already sent out fourth stimulus checks, while many others are preparing to bring in new legislation that will help Americans this December. With 2021 coming to an end, each state is already planning ahead for their future financial aid plans. The state of Colorado has a range of programs for those in need of financial assistance. On the state government website, there are links for people to apply for cash assistance, child care assistance, employment assistance, energy assistance, and food assistance. Alaska Governor Mike Dunleavy has announced that he wants to transfer the additional revenues that the state is earning from increased oil production to the pocket revenues, saying it's entirely within our capacity to help residents manage their bills, with a payment of $1,236.
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone. This is always a special time in America, but this year, the blessings of Thanksgiving are especially meaningful.
After being apart last year, we have a new appreciation for those little moments we can't plan or replicate. The music of laughter in a warm, full kitchen, the thump of small feet making big sounds, the circle of faces crowded around our dining room table, glowing in the candlelight.
You know, as we gather together again, our table and our hearts are full of grace and gratitude for all those we love. And as Commander-in-Chief, I'm especially grateful to our service members and their families for the sacrifices to our nation.
While we celebrate together, many of those military families will be apart from their loved ones. Whether your spouse is deployed or you've settled into yet another base, the holidays just aren't the same without the people and the communities that make this holiday special. We are so grateful for your service.
As we give thanks for what we have, we also keep in our hearts those who we lost and those who have lost so much, and those who have an empty seat at their kitchen table or their dining room table this year because of this virus or another cruel twist of fate or accident. We pray for them.
As Joe and I have traveled this year, we have seen and been so inspired by the unbreakable threads that unite us all: family and faith, kindness and compassion, a love for this country we call home.
You make us so proud every day to serve as your President and First Lady. And from the Biden family to yours, happy Thanksgiving, God bless you, and may God protect our troops and their...
The state of Alaska is also looking to help its residents with their winter heating bills, which is really wonderful news for Alaskans. The state sent $500 hazard pay bonuses to their teachers in a bid to boost the locals' economic situation in Michigan. The state has just sent out $500 hazard pay bonuses to their teachers. Stimulus payments are also due by the end of November in the state of New Mexico. as the state is providing stimulus checks to more than 4,000 low-income residents. They can collect up to $750 in financial support. Maryland was one of the most generous states in terms of stimulus relief payments. With no state or local tax levied on unemployment benefits, the state also gave out stimulus checks between $300 and $500 for those who filed for earned income tax credit. The state of Connecticut's Back to Work plan involved the provision of a $1,000 check to all eligible applicants who went back to the workforce after 8 weeks off of unemployment. This was announced by Governor Ned Lamont in September and still applies this month. In the state of Arizona, the state's Back to Work program is offering a $1,000 payment for unemployed people who accept part-time work and also $2,000 to any unemployed person who takes on a full-time job. Unfortunately, according to the Internal Revenue Service records, residents in the state of Kansas either refused, paid back, or failed to cash over $17 million in stimulus checks. That is about 13,000 checks. Please let me know in the comments section below if you think your state government is providing enough financial assistance to its residents. Friends, the key word for this video is Thanksgiving. If you would like to enter tomorrow's 3 $100 Walmart gift card giveaway, please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, click and like my videos, and also comment below the keyword from each video. Thank you so much, friends. So right now, over 35 million families are receiving monthly payments from President Biden's child tax credit. This federal aid is being used to put food on the table, buy clothes, cover rent, and cover school-related expenses. However, the measure is expiring in just 3 weeks if Congress does not step in to renew it, with the last payments poised to go out on December 15, 2021. Democrats want to extend it for 1 more year as part of their $2 trillion social spending plan, which includes health and climate legislation, and it's called the Build Back Better Act. But the act right now faces a vote in the Senate. Infighting among centrists and progressives could stall its passage. Republicans are staunchly opposed to the child benefit, with Senate Minority Leader Mitch McConnell calling it a monthly welfare deposit. What are your thoughts on the monthly enhanced child tax credit payments? Should it be extended for 1 more year? Please leave your thoughts in the comment section below. Well, friends, that's the end of the video for this morning. Thank you so much for joining me here this Thanksgiving Day. I greatly appreciate all of you who are with me, and to say thank you, I'm giving away 3 $100 Walmart gift cards tomorrow. If you would like to enter my giveaway, please like and comment my videos, and also don't forget to leave the keyword from each video. Thank you so much, friends, and have a very, very blessed, happy Thanksgiving.